Find the value of x if 5 raised to power s multiplied by 7 raised to power s squared is equal to 35. What is the value of x? Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In today's class, we want to look at how to find the value of s from this given exponential equation. 5 raised to power s multiplied by 7 raised to power s squared is equal to 35. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscription is free. Thank you. Solution. We have 5 raised to power x multiplied by 7 raised to power s squared is equal to 35. This can be rewritten as 5 raised to power x multiplied by 7 raised to power s squared is equal to 35 is 5 multiplied by 7. This implies that we have 5 raised to power x, this is also 5, divided by 5, and 5 is same thing as 5 raised to power 1, to be equal to, we have 7 here, divided by 7 raised to power s raised to square. This implies that we have 5 raised to power x, this is raised to power 1 minus 1, to be equal to, we have 7 raised to power 1 minus s square. This is s square. This implies that we have 5 raised to power x now minus 1 to be equal to what? 7 raised to power 1 minus s square. Let's take the log of both sides. By taking the log of both sides, this implies that we have log 5 raised to power x minus 1 equal to log 7 raised to power 1 minus s square. This implies that we have x minus 1 log 5 will be equal to 1 minus s square log 7. This implies that we have x minus 1 log 5 base 7 equal to 1 minus s square log 7 base 7. So we have x minus 1 log 5 base 7 equal to 1 minus s square log 7 base 7. This one is 1. This implies that we have x minus 1 log 5 base 7 to be equal to 1 minus s square into 1. That is, this log 7 base 7 is 1. Then this implies that we have x minus 1 log 5 base 7 to be equal to, if you open the bracket, we have 1 minus s square. This implies that let's equate it to 0. We have x minus 1 log 5 base 7 plus s square minus 1 is equal to 0. That is, if minus s square come to the other side, it will become plus 1. And this is plus 1, it will become minus 1 is equal to 0. We have x minus 1 log 5 base 7 plus, this is s square, same as we have 1 square, it's different of 2 square. This can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to 0. And here we have x minus 1, x minus 1. This implies that we have x minus 1 into, we have log 5 base 7 plus x plus 1 equal to 0. From here, x minus 1 will be equal to 0, or log 5 base 7 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that we have x minus 1 equal to 0, or log 5 base 7 plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Then from x minus 1 is equal to 0, this implies that we have x minus 1 equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 1. That is one of the value of x. Then let's take a good look at this one. We have log 5 base 7 plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Then let's make x the subject of the formula. This implies that we have x to be equal to minus log 5 base 7 minus 1. That is, if plus log 5 base 7 cross the other side, it becomes minus. Then if this plus 1 cross the other side, it becomes minus 1. Then this implies that x will be equal to minus into log 5 base 7 plus 1. And we note that 1, we should record that log 7 base 7 is equal to 1. This implies that we have s to be equal to minus into, we have log 5 base 7 plus, then we can replace this as log 7 base 7. Log 7 base 7. This implies that we have x is equal to minus into log 5 base 7 plus log 7 base 7. But if you have a raised to power n plus m, is the same thing as a raised to power n m. Then from here, this implies that we have s to be equal to minus into log 5 times 7 according to this root. We have, that is 35 base 7. Therefore, our final answer is s is equal to minus log 35 base 7. Now, and therefore, the corresponding value of x are s is equal to what? 1, minus log 35 base 7. Answer. If you have enjoyed the class, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.